The 1929 yellow truck and coach manufacturing company New York City Sightseeing bus. A restoration in progress, with Dick Shappy classic cars and motorcycles. New York City started using sightseeing buses as early as 1904. These initial tour buses were electric and offered a new way for people to see the city's landmarks and featured open-air designs with wooden benches. The tours were intended for both locals and tourists to explore the city's growing streets and iconic landmarks, such as the Brooklyn Bridge. The industry grew alongside the city, evolving from these initial vehicles to modern double-decker open-top buses. After World War II, the city's bus system expanded significantly, with companies like Fifth Avenue Coach developing new models, such as the 1200 front-engine double-decker buses. Yellow Coach Manufacturing Company was founded by John D. Hertz in 1923 in Chicago as a subsidiary of the Yellow Cab Company. General Motors, or GM, acquired a majority stake in 1925, renaming it Yellow Truck and Coach Manufacturing Company. However, it continued to be known simply as Yellow Coach within the transit industry.
Hold on.
They wouldn't fully acquire it until 1943, merging it with its truck division to form the GM Truck and Coach division. The company was a major innovator in urban and intercity bus design, playing a key role in the transition from electric streetcars to gasoline and diesel-powered buses. GM would go on to produce many buses until 1987, when it withdrew from the bus and coach market due to competition, and production ceased. In 1929, the Yellow Coach Manufacturing Company built several models of buses used for sightseeing in New York City, most notably double-decker buses operated by the Fifth Avenue Coach Company. These buses were part of the Z-Type series, which Yellow Coach produced from 1923 to 1936. For many years, the Fifth Avenue Coach Company was the premier operator of these sightseeing routes. They purchased various models from Yellow Coach over the years, including the Z-Type double-deckers, in use during 1929. The series used conventional front-engine designs. Double-decker models could seat up to 63 passengers, with some versions having 66 or 69 seats. General Motors fully absorbed Yellow Coach in 1943, and the Yellow Coach nameplate was replaced by GM Coach in 1944. This restoration has been underway for over 23 years as of 2025, and we can't wait to see this unique piece of history restored and back in action. Learn more about the vehicle restorations in the Dick Shappy collection at dsclassics.com.